Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, good evening everyone. I hope you guys have a good day. First of all, thank you so much for opportunity. It is nice to be here. Let me introduce myself. My name is Danoval Habibi. You can call me Noval for short. I am from Bekasi. I was born in 25 September 2006. I live in North Cikarang and I am Muslim. I was graduated from SMK Global Mulia. Currently, I study in Pelita Bangsa University and I am Indonesian. Talking about hobbies, I don't have specific hobby, but I love playing game. I interested in automotive science when I was a kid. My number phone is 08780011 66034. I think it's done. Thank you. See you. Thank you. Bye.